Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing. Kaizen Cutlery. Check them out. The link is going to be down below. This is a paid-for video, courtesy of Kaizen Cutlery, founded on FameBit. And we're going to open this up and check out the links also to see what other goodies they have to offer, and we shall see what this is. Sorry for the late video tonight. Didn't think it was going to be this late, but I had a few things I had to take care of. But now we get to the good stuff, and you guys could get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You could get this shipped to you in no time. So we shall see what this is. There we go. Kaizen Cutlery. Oh, nice box. Ooh, fancy dancy. So we got the holidays coming up. You better have somebody add this to the Amazon wish list. And you could get it at a low cost right now. Definitely buy 2 of these. And let's see. There we go. Bada boom. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see this beauty. And there we go. We slide. How do we open this thing? Oh boy. There's a little flap right here. You just flap it up. And whoa. Alright. Look at that. That's some high quality stuff right here. Not sure if I should show this. Huh? Can't use a knife until this. What the heck? Not sure if I should show this, but interesting. Use a knife until we call his number. It's pre-recorded. Huh. That's a nice looking knife though. Look at that. Gordon Ramsay, watch out. You might want to get these. Holy moly. I do got an onion. I'm going to have to cut up. I don't know about if I should call this. I'm curious. These are the finger guards, so you won't hurt yourself while you're cutting it. Like that. Go chop, chop, chop. I think. I never used this, but we'll give it a try. I'm going to be in the kitchen in a second after this. But maybe I should call and let it play on here. But I'm not sure if they let me do it. Oh. Holy moly. Look at that thing. It has some nice shine to it. It's lightweight too. Holy smokes. Oh, it's sharp. It's definitely sharp. And boom. What else does it come with? It's empty. Oh, these are the knife sharpener. I forgot how you do this. Sorry about that. Like that. Ooh. Look at that shine. Dang. Maybe I should call that number right now. Kaizen. I'm curious. Hold on. It's like the dark web thing. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, here we go. 213. Oops. 425. 0911. Oh boy, here we go. LA. Shout out to Cali.
Hello, this is Reggie, the founder of Kaizen Cutlery. My family and I just want to reach out to you personally and thank you for purchasing our chef knife. Please be very careful as this knife is extremely sharp. Be sure to hand wash your chef knife after each use and safely store it away in the included gift box. As a thank you for your support, I want to offer you a free extended warranty and chef ebook. Just visit kaizencutlery.com/free to claim your reward now. Kaizen in Japanese translates to continuous improvement, and it's what we strive for. Continuous improvements in our products, customer service, and in our personal lives. So if you ever need anything at all, feel free to reach out to us. Again, be sure to visit kaizencutlery.com/free to join our VIP club and claim your rewards now. We hope you enjoy our chef knife and the awesome meals you'll make with it. Thank you.
This is awesome. That was cool. Not too many companies have that. That's class act right there. That's a really good thing that they have done. So definitely a warning. This is really sharp, kiddies. 18 and up, be careful too. So, especially the older cats. You guys are take it easy on this one. This is definitely sharp, especially up here too. So we're going to cut some onions open. I'll be right back in the kitchen. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the knife. Nice and rinsed off a little bit. Let's see how this thing works. Holy smokes. See that action? I had to peel this off a little bit. That was pretty nice. Let me try. Dang. Look at that. Okay, there we go. Definitely, that's a strong knife. So guys, be careful using it. But if you guys are the Gordon Ramsays of cooking, and you need a new knife that is a affordable cost right now, I would definitely recommend this one. Alright, chop these up really quick. Sorry about that. Clean up the mess a little. Some people knows how to use this. Like I said, I'm not really too familiar, but it is one of those. I'll show you. Finger guards. Alright. Bam. Oh man, I hate onions. They make me cry. I'm not crying. It's just... oh, my eyes are watery. Ooh. Chop these up really fast. For those part, like you put the finger guard. I think so. I can't see right now. My eyes are... I picked the wrong one to cut. But these are... whew. There we are. Look at that. Perfect cuts. I'm telling you guys, this is the knife to get. Your kitchen will thank you. Your food will help you. It'll be more appreciated. Be a great gift coming up for the season. And my eyes are watering so bad right now. Look at that. Boom. Boom. You don't even need one of those processors. You just need this knife. And like I said, they're going to have other products coming out pretty shortly, I do believe. So add them to your favorites on Amazon. And also check it out right now. Good price. Boom. I think it was a pretty big sized onion also. Look at that. Chop, chop. Boom. This one right there. I'll make it a kind of long video, but not too long. But like I said, there will be no ads in it. Look at that, man. That's crazy. Just chop. Perfect cuts. And like I said, it is definitely sharp, so I want to be careful with it. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice size. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Bada boom. Perfect cuts. So that was fun. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Check them out. Kaizen Cutlery. Amazon Prime. Get this at a low cost. And have some fun in the kitchen. Boom, boom, boom. Heck yeah. Alright, YouTubers. See ya. Kaizen.